Okay, so what we're seeing here is some glass bay horizontals there. This is some of the custom detailing here, showing the SSG horizontal and some four-sided just above here. Okay, we've got expansion horizontals here. See the expansion horizontal just inside the mullion there. Very good. Okay, so we can see the squeeze out here for the nose seal gasket right there. You can see the polyamide looks good and the thermal brake looks good. We're just installing a light of glass. Got our setting block chairs in place. Don't mind me, guys.
Oh, okay.
Full control. Go ahead.
I need somebody on the outside.
Just setting the glass there.
How's the rubber on the inside, Chad?
What?
How's that rubber on the inside there? Rolled it.
It's a little rolled.
Is it? Okay, so
There we go.
can you fix it?
Yeah, it's fixed.
It's good? Okay, it's got to go to you. Is it?
We see the splice sleeve with the PVC insulation. Also, we see shear block. Got a mullion stage, a stick mullion ready to go in place. Sleeve in it, and it's going to go right on. Okay, so we're just installing that whole frame, shimming it properly for the moving joint. And they got due today. Just showing back pan seals here. I'm just talking to myself.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Making my video here. Just checking the back pan seals here. You can see a generous amount of sealant covering up the anchor screws and stuff. Good storage of materials here. Everything's prepped, it's dry, it's clean. You see the material all wrapped up here. It's very good. Okay, so here we see the added back pan seal at the back side of the frame.